Let's see what's going on Jaffa Street just before Shabbat. I'm coming down from the Russian Trinity Cathedral, which is there, and we are going on Jaffa Street to see just before Shabbat what's going on there. As you can see, people enjoy the time free before Shabbat in coffee shops, and they are all on the streets. It's nice and warm in Jerusalem. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? They enjoy Shabbat in the coffee shops, as you can see. And let's walk a bit down the road and breathe in the atmosphere, the peaceful atmosphere. You see, during the week they are not so full, but now the coffees are full everywhere. You see that? And that's beautiful, isn't it? People enjoy having a little rest as well, like this one here. The tram is passing by, we let it pass. And I will get for Shabbat just a little. In here you can get very fresh hummus, and that's where I will get now, and then I will continue my travel. We go to this place, makes very wonderful hummus, and I will get some for tomorrow. As everything is closed, I will get hummus at this place. Look at this, I got the nice fresh made hummus for Shabbat. I will take it in my bag. Look at that, with chickpeas and seasoning on top of it. And I put it in my bag. And we are keeping going on Jaffa Street to see what's going on Jaffa. Just before Shabbat, 2 hours before. Look at this. Beautiful, no? People are enjoying. They have a good time. And I leave you with these impressions. We are here on Ben Yehuda Street, and you see people are out there enjoying the coffee and a nice shawarma or falafel. Look at that, and it's very nice to be here. You know, it's exciting. You see music is on, and then enjoy life. Just the rest before Shabbat out. Still the shops are open tomorrow. Everything is closed. And resting time like this girl here. And now we are on King George Street. Look at that. We are coming closer to King George Street. One more up. Look, people rest and enjoy. And we are here. Coming closer to King George Street, which is up the road. And let's see what's happening also on King George Street on Shabbat. People play lotto as well here in Israel. And now we are on King George Street. Let's see what's going on King George. There's Alma Soup, my favorite soup place. If you want to have good soup, go to Alma. Nice to see you. Shabbat Shalom. Ciao. Yeah, Shabbat Shalom. And here we go. There comes my favorite French restaurant, or better like a patisserie. I'll check if I'll have a flan, but I don't know if they still have flan. But it looks like that they have, and I will have a flan with. I have a flan. Look at that, there's my friend. There she is, the famous one. How are you doing? Shabbat Shalom. You have a flan? A flan and an espresso? Thank you, I will take that.